In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the all-parties Hurriyat conference has appealed to the people to observe complete shutdown and massively march towards Hyderpura in Srinagar on Thursday, 1st September, to pay tribute to the icon of Kashmir resistance movement, Syed Ali Gillani, on his first martyrdom anniversary. Syed Ali Gillani embraced martyrdom in the custody of Indian police on 1st September last year at his Hyderpura residence in Srinagar, where he was kept under continued house detention for over a decade. The Indian forces personnel had snatched away the dead body of Syed Ali Gillani for forcible burial at Hyderpura graveyard in Srinagar under heavy military siege in the dark of night, in violation of the last will of the veteran leader. The APHC, in a statement issued in Srinagar, asked the people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir to observe complete strike and assemble at Hyderpura graveyard to pay homage to the great leader of the Kashmir freedom movement. It urged the imams and ulamas to pay tributes and offer special prayers in mosques for Syed Ali Gillani. Indian police arrested Hurriyat activist Pir Ataullah Shah after raiding his house in Handwara area of Kupwara district. The police also arrested 3 youth from a checkpost in Bomai area of Sopore town in Baramulla district. The illegally detained Kashmiri journalist Asif Sultan completed 4 years in jail today. He is currently lodged in Agra Central Jail in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh after being booked over draconian law Public Safety Act. He was arrested on this day in 2018 for highlighting the Indian brutalities on the people of the territory. Another proof of the Indian government's nefarious propaganda to defame Pakistan has come to fore, as it is presenting a mentally unsound Pakistani national as a terrorist. Tabarak Hussain, resident of Subskot village of Kotli in Azad Jammu and Kashmir and mentally unsound, was shot and arrested in injured condition by Indian troops after he unevidently crossed the line of control in Nushaira area of Rajouri district a few days ago. Some videos of Tabarak Hussain have emerged on social media in which a layman can judge that he is mentally unsound. Tabarak Hussain was arrested in 2016 also by the Indian authorities when he accidentally crossed the line of control and had to spend 26 months in imprisonment.